Hey Scarlets, it's Mr. Groebner up in room 305. I just wanted to extend an invitation to a class that I teach that's pretty unique in Mankato. Here at West, we have a class called Astronomy Meteorology. We spend about a quarter studying astronomy and about a quarter studying meteorology. It's a great class if you just want to understand how the world works. And by the world, I mean Earth that we live on, all the way out into the universe, into space. Since we don't have a real planetarium here like East does, we use this thing called a celestial sphere, and what it allows us to do is plot out the position of any visible star in the sky from any location on Earth on any day of the year at any time of the day. So we do have some cool stuff. It's not a planetarium, but we have lots of cool stuff. Topics that we cover, we start here on Earth and then we just move out into the solar system, into the universe, and we get as far as we can get in that 1/4 of time that we have. We usually end up out in the stars somewhere talking about constellations and mythology and star life cycle, lots of cool stuff. The second half of the course, we switch, we bring it back home and we look at meteorology. So now we're studying the weather around us. We do things like building models, building our own weather instruments, our own tools, an anemometer to measure the wind, and a thermometer and a barometer. And once we have all of that data, it allows us to get to the point where we usually end up just a little short of being like the meteorologist for KUIC. We can't quite predict the weather, but you will understand why on a day like today, the temperature is going to drop 50 degrees in Minnesota. It was over 30 this morning when I got up. It's gonna be close to 20 degrees below zero tonight. You wouldn't have been able to predict that, but you'll understand why it happens. So again, just a friendly invitation. If you'd like to come up and learn something about the world around us so you better understand the issues that you're gonna face as adults in the future, those decisions that you have to make, you're gonna be able to understand how to gather the information you need to make an informed decision and make the world a little bit better place for all of us. Thanks.